Let's talk about busy now because this is like busy moment. Busy is the most requested that I've been around here, and I listened to all these people over the years, and every year they would call me and say, busy, we want busy. And I would say, but I call it, but the line is busy. So, you see, his line is always busy because he's a businessman. But anyway, the point is that you're getting busy now. Busy around the world. When you go anywhere around the world and when you talk to people and when you talk to reggae and dancer, the first thing they're going to ask you, how is busy? When is busy coming our way? And I'm so pleased that Chicago now have the time and moment to see Busy Signal this Saturday on stage inside of Chicago South Loop. He gave you some outstanding songs, and some of you know most of them. He's getting ready to release a brand new one. And he gave you one the other day, which we share, and that was very outstanding, and that is doing very well for him. But I'm going to, without further ado, I'm going to give him his moment to say his few words and what he wants to say. Mike is hoping for as long as and whatever he wants to say.
Thank you so much, Chicago, for having me here. I gotta say first and foremost, thanks to the Most High God for making it possible for all of us to be here at this moment, right here at the press. And I mean, I'm just honored to be here. You know what I mean? Me and my team, we do like a little background check thing when we're doing shows with promoters or with people across the world. We do like a survey. And I wanted to be here. You know what I mean? I wanted to be here because it fits what I'm trying to promote and the platform that I'm trying to be on. So once again, I'm so honored to be here. And I'm so happy to be here. And me definitely want to go on the other festival that's supposed to be the one that we're supposed to be on originally. So we want to go on the festival as well. But time and whatever happens. But as you said earlier, I'm so happy I'm here now. We're going to do this the proper way and the professional way and the entertainment way. You know what I mean? Waving the flag, the Jamaica flag with the rich culture we have there in Jamaica, reggae music, dancehall music, ska music, you know what I mean? Rock steady, you name it. So I'm so honored just to be here, representing for Chicago. It's my first time here, you know what I mean? So I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward to being here, performing here. I'm looking forward to come back here. You know what I mean? So it's definitely I'm just anticipating the moment to go out there and get busy with the fans, get busy with the music, get busy entertaining the patrons, and I'm just so happy and honored to be here. I'm blessed to be here. While I was sitting outside on the other side, I was looking at some of the flyers and the old pictures from then. You know what I mean? From then, just looking at the history of this club right here, and it's just great. I'm just feeling that type of vibe and that type of energy, just being here. You know what I mean? I see Shabba Rankin, we see Yellow Man, we see Burning Spear. You know what I mean? We see all these greats who really paved the way. I see a picture with Bob Marley from 1975. You know what I mean? Yeah. So it's like these things help me to build myself. These things build the confidence. These things give me the drive to go on. And I'm just so happy I'm here. And I'm so happy I'm in this space right now. And let's say nothing before the time, so I know the time is now. So we gotta do this and get this done musically well, professionally well. Even to meet and greet with the people, I'm just so ready because it's been overdue. It's been overdue. And as Mr. Martin said, we just want to represent and just do the thing the right way. And I'm so happy to be here.
Thank you very much. Now, because of the light, I can't see your face too well. But for the media in the house who may have a question, if you can just step up a little so we can see, and if you have any question you want to ask, Okay.
Greetings, this is Lady Soul with at Chicago Dance Hall.
Yeah.
I'm also a professor of reggae dance hall dancing and culture.
Wow.
And I bring all of you all's music to young people throughout Chicago. So I just
stuff.
want you to know that.
Good stuff.
Recently on Hot 97, you've spoken about being given a second chance.
Yeah.
How has this chance changed your outlook on life and music?
Well, a second chance for anybody with wisdom, it gotta change for the better. You know what I mean? It changed my life for the better. I'm here speaking right now in the US. That's a big change. If you ask me or ask anyone, I'm a Jamaican national. I get a second chance to come here. It's gonna be a whole lot of details going in back into everything, but I'm a second chance personnel right here. You know what I mean? And we go through things, and no one is perfect. You know what I mean? I did things when I was younger, and it came back, we did the time and everything, and I understand the system, and I respect the system, and the system gave me a chance. So me getting a chance and being here, representing music, representing what I do for a living, representing my talent, and just giving thanks, it's a big thing for me, and it's very special for me to have freedom, to have the freedom to do what I want to do, display my talent, showcase my talent, and just do the right thing. You know what I mean? I'm a grown man now. When I was a child, I was a child. I'm a man. So we got to put away childish things and act the right way as a man, act the right way as an adult. So my second chance, I'm trying to do it the best I can, try to use it the best way I can, try to shine my light so others could see, whether it be young or old. Just trying to go through and do the right thing as a man, because we all make mistakes. Some mistakes is fixable, some mistakes is not. You know what I mean? So I'm so happy I'm here. Mine was fixable. I'm so grateful that it was fixable, and I'm so happy that God helped me to be here. Helped me through the lawyers and through the judicial system here and through the immigration laws here and everything. So I'm so happy. You know what I mean? So it's changed my life tremendously well in a positive way.
Rastafari.
Another question? Let me ask a question then.
Hi, my name is Quinny Green, owner of Wvog Caribbean Vibes Online Radio.
Yeah.
And I'd like to know, what encouraging words do you have for the youth, the unprivileged youth, and upcoming artists that follow you and that are looking to build careers, that are going through the struggle? What do you have to say to our youth? Because right now our youth, they're troubled and they need encouragement and they need figures like you and ourselves to uplift them. So what can you say to the youth that may catch any one of these interviews?
Yeah.
Something that'll encourage.
My message to the youths is just focus. You know what I mean? Focus and keep it positive, because some people use the excuse years upon years, using the excuse as I'm a product of my environment. No. It's not acceptable. You could be in the dirt and you could be the diamond in the dirt. You know what I mean? So we gotta come up and we gotta do it right. We gotta focus, we gotta think positive. We gotta unite. You know what I mean? The strength of us as a people, if we unite, would be beyond, you know what I mean? Beyond just a regular power. You know what I mean? It would be beyond just an empire. You know what I mean? As a nation, as a people, if we unite. Apart from that, the disattached youth and the youth that's just there, we gotta get positive recreational stuff for these youths. You know what I mean? In terms of youths that want to do music and want to follow in the footsteps of artists, you could live your dream and you could do it, but you have to focus and you have to be willing to sacrifice. You know what I mean? You have to be willing to make the sacrifice of working. Yeah? Because some people see these things. They see these things. They don't see the nights of hunger. They don't see the nights in the studio losing sleep. They don't see the nights or the days where you can't even talk to your kids. I got 8 kids. I got 4 boys, 4 girls. I don't know. I don't see them personally going back to school. I never been to Jamaica in like almost 3 months now. I'm on tour. I don't get to see them. I don't get to talk to them that much. I see my mom 2 nights last night. For 2 nights. You know what I mean? I go and visit her for 2 nights. She's in the US and I'm in the US at the moment. And I get to see her. You gotta be willing to sacrifice. You know what I mean? So some people see these things and they want these things, but you don't see the work that you gotta put in to get these things. You know what I mean? You don't just go out there and grab these things by stealing them. And some people do that, but that's the wrong thing. That's a jailhouse thing. That's maybe a murder thing. But when you're working for what you want, you gotta be willing to sacrifice. You gotta be willing to be focused. You gotta be willing to work hard and put that work hard or that work smart work in there.
Yes,
You know what I mean? So you don't just get up and see things, the eyes, oh my God, I want to be like him, I want to be like her, and she's driving this, and he's driving this, and he got like 19 girlfriends, oh my God, he got 4 million big house, oh he just signed a $5 million check. It doesn't just happen like that. You know what I mean? You gotta be willing to do the work. I've been doing professional music since 2004. You know what I mean? Since 2004, I've seen a whole bunch of stuff. I've sidestepped a whole bunch of stuff. I've said no to a whole bunch of stuff. We've been to clubs and we've been with promoters that do different type of music and different type of promotion. You know what I mean? They wanted me to take part in a whole bunch of different things. You know what I mean? I gotta be smart, I gotta be wise. So we gotta just be focused. And for the younger generation, you could live your dreams, like I said, but you gotta be willing to be focused and you gotta be willing to be a leader. You gotta be willing to be a leader. Don't just follow what you see. Don't just believe the Instagram, the Twitter, the Facebook, the E-channel. You don't just believe that. A lot of these girls or a lot of these stars, male or female, they're going through hell, they're suffering. They're just putting on that smile and that face, and they're just putting on that fake body just to look bright for the gram, or for the pics, or for the Photoshop. Yeah. It's not real. I've seen a lot of them. I've seen a lot of them. I say no to a whole bunch of fakeness. You know what I mean? I've said no to a whole bunch of wrong money. I've said no to a whole bunch of dirty money.
Yes, man.
You know what I mean? You gotta be focused. You don't just jump up, get to a level like this. You got levels and it takes time to get there. Because if you get there overnight, you're gonna lose it overnight. It's not right.
I say.